Are you ready to own a piece of automotive history? Check out this stunning 1927 Ford Roadster. Located in Junction City, Kansas, this classic beauty is priced at just $25,000. It's not just a car, it's a statement of style and performance. This Ford Roadster features a powerful gas engine paired with a manual transmission, ensuring that you have complete control over your driving experience. With an odometer reading of just 1 mile, this vehicle is practically new. The clean title status adds peace of mind for any potential buyer. This particular Roadster has been enhanced with a 1973 Bora V8 engine and a Doug Nash 5-speed transmission, making it a true hot rod. It also boasts a Ford 9-inch rear end and a 4-link suspension with 4-wheel disc brakes, providing both power and safety. Although it has been sitting for a few years, it runs great and just needs some minor cleanup to get it back to its best condition. This 1927 Ford Roadster was built by Rod Rhodes Roadsters and has been featured in Hot Rod magazine back in 1984. It's a fantastic investment as it is worth much more than the asking price. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own such a classic piece of American automotive heritage. For more details and photos, be sure to check the links in the description below. Imagine stepping back in time to the roaring 20s with this classic 1924 Dodge Brothers Coupe, a vintage piece waiting for a new owner to breathe life into its timeless frame. Priced at just $2,950, this vehicle sits in Phoenix, Arizona, and offers a remarkable opportunity for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. With a fair condition rating, it tells a story of a classic that's ready for revival, a project car that invites your craftsmanship and passion. This 1924 Dodge boasts a distinctive green paint job, a coupe body style perfect for those who love to stand out and preserve automotive history. Under the hood, the engine type is not specified, and it has a manual transmission, making it an exciting challenge for those who appreciate the technical side of vintage cars. The odometer reads only 10,000 miles, giving a hint at its low initial usage, though the actual condition reflects age and wear. And it comes with a clean title, meaning no ownership issues to worry about when acquiring. It's a rear-wheel drive vehicle powered by gas, offering both historical charm and a rewarding project for the dedicated restorer. This car is being sold as a project with no engine or transmission included, making it a blank canvas for custom rebuilds or restorations. Positioned in the heart of Phoenix, this vintage Dodge is a rare find that speaks to the passionate collector seeking a genuine piece of automotive history. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to restore or a future collector dreaming of owning a car from the early days of motoring, this 1924 Dodge Brothers Coupe presents an intriguing investment, a classic that, with some TLC, can become a stunning piece of history once again. The price reflects its condition and the potential for restoration. For those with vision and dedication, it's a compelling opportunity. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of the past. See the link in the description for more information and photos of this exciting vintage project. Step back in time with this classic 1924 Ford Model T Coupe, now available for the adventurous collector or vintage enthusiast. Priced at $6,400, this charming piece of automotive history is located in Nogales, Arizona. Under its glossy black paint, this vehicle boasts a good condition that hints at its storied past and promising future. With a clean title and no rust, it stands as a testament to the durability and craftsmanship of early 20th century automobiles. The vehicle features rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, equipped with a manual transmission that invites you to experience driving as it was originally intended: simple, engaging, immersive. Though it only shows 24 miles on the odometer, these are likely estimated or rolled over readings, but it adds to the mystique and potential of this classic. Its vintage charm is perfectly complemented by its upright, nostalgic profile, making it an eye-catching centerpiece at any vintage car show or a dream ride for a dedicated collector. Whether you're investing in its restoration or looking to enjoy its historic appeal now, this Model T Coupe is a rare find and an excellent opportunity to own a piece of automotive history for a fair price. The condition and price make it an appealing project that could increase in value or simply bring timeless joy. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more photos and details to see if this classic belongs in your collection. This is more than just a car, it's a slice of history waiting to be driven again. Imagine owning a timeless piece of automotive history, a beautifully restored 1925 Ford Model T Tudor sedan, offered at just $10,000 in Todd, North Carolina. This classic vehicle isn't just a car, it's a rolling monument to the early days of motoring. With a durable 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, this sedan offers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and engaging. Its condition is described as good, reflecting careful maintenance and recent upgrades. The car features a sleek black paint job, adding to its vintage charm, and it boasts a clean title, making it a solid investment for both collectors and enthusiasts. Noteworthy enhancements include a rebuilt chassis with a new Roadster rear end, Rocky Mountain brakes, and radiator, all ensuring improved safety and reliability. The car is rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, reminiscent of a bygone era with its classic design and straightforward mechanics. It's equipped with brake and turn signal lights, a thoughtful touch that blends vintage style with modern safety standards. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser or a valuable addition to your vintage collection, this Model T offers a rare opportunity. Its price point makes it a feasible entry into the world of antique automobiles without sacrificing quality or authenticity. Owning this car isn't just about possessing a vehicle, it's about experiencing history firsthand, feeling the stories of the past with every drive. If you're passionate about classic cars and want something that embodies the spirit of the Roaring '20s, this Ford Model T Tudor sedan is worth serious consideration. A good restoration project or a ready-to-enjoy vintage car, it combines value, charm, and historic significance. Don't miss the chance to see more photos and details. Click the link in the description for full information. This is more than just a car, it's a legacy waiting to be driven into your future. Step back in time with this 1926 Oldsmobile, a true vintage gem waiting for its next chapter. Priced at $6,000, this classic is located in the scenic Lucerne Valley and offers an authentic piece of automotive history. Under the hood, it features a robust 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, giving you that engaging driving experience that enthusiasts crave. With an incredible odometer reading of 10 million miles, this vehicle's history is rich, and though it stands in fair condition, it remains remarkably complete, down to the original S-cylinder bars. The owner, a seasoned restorer with over 40 years of experience, has kept this car as close to original as possible, with some woodwork done by the previous owner, and it even comes with a complete spare engine and transmission. The title is clean and in hand, making this a straightforward purchase for someone looking to restore or preserve a true classic. This Oldsmobile doesn't just represent transportation. It embodies a bygone era of craftsmanship, reliability, and style. Whether you're a collector, a history enthusiast, or someone eager to bring this beauty back to life, this vehicle offers a fantastic opportunity. While the condition might require some love and attention, the value lies in its originality and potential. Serious inquiries only, no hot rodders, please, just genuine car lovers who appreciate its history and worth. Considering its price and classic character, this Oldsmobile is an investment that could grow in value or become a stunning restoration project. Don't miss out. Check the description for the link with more photos and details. Step back in time with this classic 1927 Ford T-Bucket. With its bold yellow exterior, this beauty is an eye-catching tribute to the Roaring Twenties. The price tag? Just $7,700, a steal for a piece of automotive history like this. Located in Myrick Strengthford, MS, this convertible model has an automatic transmission and an 8-cylinder engine, offering a smooth ride with plenty of power for its age. While the condition is noted as fair, it's important to remember that with classic cars, a little TLC can bring them back to their full glory. This Ford has only 1,111 miles on the odometer, and it's running well, making it a great starting point for restoration enthusiasts. The clean title ensures a hassle-free transaction, so you can focus on the joy of bringing this vintage gem back to life. Whether you're a collector or simply looking for a project to dive into, this 1927 Ford could be your next great adventure. It's a unique chance to own a rare piece of history, and with a little work, it could become the showstopper you've been dreaming of. Is the investment worth it? Absolutely. The potential for restoration and the nostalgia that comes with owning such a classic vehicle make this an opportunity not to be missed. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and photos. Step back in time with this remarkable 1927 Ford Sprint, a true piece of automotive history that's ready to turn heads and ignite passions. Priced at $14,500, this classic vehicle is located in Tucson, Arizona, offering a rare opportunity for enthusiasts. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 8-cylinder gasoline engine, expertly equipped with a brand new blueprint engine that promises reliability and enhanced performance. With a modest odometer reading of 5,500 miles, it indicates a well-maintained, low-use vehicle that's ripe for restoration or preservation. The condition is classified as good, reflecting its well-kept appearance and mechanical integrity, making it an appealing project or a striking display piece. The vehicle features a unique transmission labeled as Other, and it has a clean title, ensuring a smooth ownership transfer process. Whether you're into street racing or dirt track adventures, this sprint car, with its Chevy rear end, is built for thrill. It's suitable for both street and dirt driving, offering versatility for the adventurous soul. The seller mentions that it's part of a private collection and emphasizes that no texts or emails are accepted, so interested buyers should call directly at 520-667-5069 for more information. Buying this vehicle is not just about owning a vintage car, it's about holding onto a slice of history that still has plenty of life and potential. Whether you see it as a restoration project or a showpiece, this Ford Sprint undoubtedly offers great value for its price and condition. This is an investment that could grow in value or serve as a stunning centerpiece in your collection. For more pictures and detailed information, be sure to check the link in the description. Don't miss out on making this extraordinary piece yours. Are you ready to own a piece of automotive history? Introducing the classic 1928 Ford Model A Phaeton. This vintage beauty is located in Seymour, Texas, and it's available for just $14,500. This 1928 Ford Model A is in good condition and features a reliable gas engine. With an odometer reading of 99,999 miles, it has a clean title and comes with a manual transmission. The AR designation means this is an early 28 model, equipped with the park brake on the left side. This Model A has undergone an older restoration, making it a fantastic candidate for a cosmetic redo, or you can enjoy it just as it is today. It's mechanically sound and dependable, perfect for cruising around town or taking to car shows. It runs, drives, and stops like a true Model A should. Plus, it features modern updates such as 6-volt electrical with LED head and tail lights for improved visibility. Key selling points include its timeless style, reliability, and the joy of driving a classic Ford. Whether you're a collector or looking for a unique vehicle to enjoy, this Phaeton is sure to impress. Don't miss out on your chance to own this iconic classic. Check the links in the description for more details and photos. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts and restoration aficionados, a 1928 Ford Model A Special Coupe, priced at $6,000 in Newcastle, California. This project car is perfect for someone looking to breathe new life into a timeless piece of automotive history. The vehicle is in good condition, with a solid frame and all of its metal components in great shape, ready for final fit and assembly. What makes this opportunity even more appealing is the extensive list of extra parts included in the sale. From an additional radiator to extra wheels and heads, this Model A comes with everything you need to complete the restoration process. It's a 4-cylinder, gas-powered beauty that features a manual transmission, adding to the authentic driving experience that classic car lovers crave. The odometer reads 123,456 miles, and the title status is clean, offering peace of mind to any prospective buyer. Imagine the satisfaction of completing this ground-up restoration and having a fully functional 1928 Ford Model A to show off to your friends or even take to car shows. The price is highly reasonable considering the condition and all the extra parts that come with it. Whether you're looking to restore a piece of automotive history or invest in a project with tremendous potential, this Model A is a fantastic find. Don't miss out on this chance to own a classic. For more details and pictures, make sure to check out the link in the description. This could be the start of an exciting restoration journey. Here's a showstopper that blends raw power with vintage style, a 1928 Ford Tudor Rat Rod for $26,500 in Pawleys Island, South Carolina. This classic is not just a beauty, it's a beast with a 350 engine, cam, tunnel ram, and dual Edelbrock carbs, purring with 8 cylinders of muscle. You're looking at a high-performance ride with a 350 turbo-trans and a locker shifter, making every gear change a thrill. It's got the classic rear-wheel drive, RWD, for that authentic feel, and with a low odometer reading of just 300 miles, it's barely broken in. The Ford 9 rear with non-posy gears, 4-wheel Ford drum brakes, and TSL Bogger Super Swamper tires ensure you're ready for both the road and the show floor. This ride is fully equipped with a 4-link rear suspension and air ride, complete with an onboard tank and compressor. Inside, the Iron Ace seats and halo rim headlights add a unique touch, while the chrome alternator and fuel pump keep things running smooth. Garage captain far from a trailer queen. This car is built to drive and it's ready to turn heads wherever it goes. While the seller is shifting gears for a new project after a back surgery, this stunning 1928 Ford Model A Tudor Rat Rod offers not just a car, but a lifestyle. At $26,500, it's a solid investment for someone looking for a standout ride with both character and speed. For more information and photos, check out the link in the description below. This Rat Rod is more than just a car, it's a statement. Would you take the wheel?